Now we are going to see our example for the table, how we can create in HTML table. Okay. First example we have seen with the table column span, right? So whenever you want to define the table, as usual, open the notepad, start writing the code. HTML. Best practice, always use a small letter. Even you can use any case sensitive, that is not a problem, your program will execute. But the best standard is you can use always a small letter. You have head. If you want to design title, my table, example, close title tag, then close heading tag. Now we have to start with the body tag. As I said, right? So what we need how many table rows you want, you can define accordingly. It's totally up to you how many you. So we want now to use as a table to be created. So how to use the tag? We have to use table. So the moment you use table tag, that means the table is going to be created. This is the table. I'll close all the things, so the last we can. Okay, always try. Better practice is that close everything, then you start. Okay, now we need in table. What we need in table? We need table rows, right? I'll use as a table row. The first one is table row. In this table row, I need multiple data to be added. I'm not using a table heading as of now. This is the first example. I'll use as a table row. I have table row, table data. Next is table data. And in table data, whatever you want, you can use. If I want to use as a table heading, you can use as a table heading. But always whenever you create any table, definitely there will be the heading. So always use with the table heading. Make a table heading. Don't directly give the table data. I'll use as a table heading. What will the table heading? I'll use as a serial number. Now I'll close this table heading. This table heading is closed. Now what we need in next heading? We need next heading as a next heading, then table heading. What we need? We need like name. I'll use as a name, and I will create here. I will close this table heading. Next, we need another table heading. We will use as a USN number. Like this, whatever you want, you can use in table heading. So this is the table heading will be defined. Now, the moment you have opened the TR tag, that means table row. Now we are closing the first table row. This is done. Now we have to use many rows with the data. Now we have to use table row. Second row. In second row, we have the table data. Now you have to use table data. What is that? Serial number 1. I will give 1 dot. I will close the table data. Next, again we will be having another table data and name. I can use anything, name whatever you want. I'll use CSC. Okay, then again close the table data. Then again I need another table data. I'll use the table data and I'll give the any number and I'll close the table data. Then I have to close the table row. This is done. If you need similar way multiple table row, then you use the same things and with the different data. I'll use here CSC to mechanical and I'll change this number to 1 and I change this to 2. Table row is closed, everything is done. Now go to the file menu, similar way, save as. And always change the all files and write tables 1. I'll give 1 table or table 1 dot html. Dot html is mandatory. and save it. Now our program is saved. Open the program and let's execute. This is our program. Open with any browser, whichever is available on your system. The moment you open, you can see here, as I mentioned, the first table row we have not used here as a, you can see here result. The first table row is bold automatically and also center. Now we have used the table row 1.csc. You can see here table. So this is very basic table we have defined here. We have not used any border or anything. Like this way you can create the table in HTML. So we have used the column span with the COL span and 3. If you give 5 here and change save it, you will see here the difference. Now suppose now I want the row to be expanded, right? Then how you can do? Then table data. Which table data you want to increase? Suppose I want this table data to be, that is this table data to be increased. Then I'll use here, because this is row span similar way is equal to, you just give the within the code 3 or 5, whichever you want, save it. So wherever you want, you have to use the same way. Save it. You can see what happened. So it has taken more space and see how it has gone. So you have to define correctly, then only the result will be accurate you are going to get. Otherwise your data will be changed. See what is happening, what happened. So we have given more space, so that's why it has gone to the next. See what happened? The moment I reduce, it is gone. Now what I'll do, I'll just remove this column span and then see the row span result. Now see. So what happened? See, the column span is reduced, but see the row span which I have given for the CSC, it has, how it has come. It has a span is there. So that's what, but it has come to the next. So this is the proper way we have to learn the proper how much span we required. Like this way you can execute and see what result you are going to get.